Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2022 Genesis GV70 2.5T. This comes in a white exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. Genesis GV70 badging, power opening and closing trunk, plenty of storage space back here, and those rear seats do fold down if you need a little extra storage. Rear seats, and a quick look up front. And we do have memory seats here. Our driver door controls, our driver seat controls, and our driver seat. Steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is 5,002. And we do have a push button ignition. So we have our navigation system here. We've got radio, climate control, shifter, and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.